Even if you weren't alive or you're too young, you probably heard of the blizzard of 1978.
Now, 40 years later, those who lived through the storm say it's something they will never forget. Meteorologist Rob Leidick joins us now from the Weather Center with a look back through your eyes.
More than 15 inches of snow, wind gusts over 55 miles per hour, and snow drifts over 20 feet. It was a recipe for disaster that crippled Fort Wayne and most of the Midwest. Today on Facebook, many of you shared memories of getting stranded on the roads or stuck inside for days on end. Lisa Williams-Hettinger said that she remembers volunteers from the Washington Township Fire Station going door to door on snowmobiles. They took orders for food and other necessities and then delivered to those in need. Amy Peter Stockert remembers building forts in the drifts and going sledding on the hills. Speaking of those drifts, Mike Moriarty says the snow was so deep he could walk up to the top of their one-car garage and slide down into the shed. Jenny Huth told us that neighbors all chipped in to make a feast with the food they had on hand. Neighbors helping neighbors is a recurring theme between all of the stories, including that of Colleen Hinton. She was a new mom at the time, and her husband was a firefighter. He was taken by snowmobile to the fire station and was stuck there for a whole week, but her neighbors had her back.
Our one neighbor had a snowmobile, and with me having a new baby, there's always those concerns, do you have enough stuff for a child? He got the list from all of us moms and other neighbors, and he took his snowmobile down and got us different things that we would need for either ourselves or our children or whatever. So I was very proud of how we all stuck together and we made it through together.
There are many more memories, photos, and videos on WANE.com. You can also comment on our Facebook to share your stories. Nicholas and I were just live on Facebook a few minutes ago, and a lot of folks were sharing their tales. And Heather, you've got a good one.
Right. I was a kid at the time, and my dad was an administrator at the local high school. We'd gone to town, I'm guessing to get milk or bread or something, and got stuck, and many other people did too. So I remember my dad opened up the school, my mom opened up the kitchen, and everybody just powwowed at the school. We were there for several days. I don't know how many exactly, but I remember sleeping in the clinic on a cot for a couple of days.
Oh, wow. Talk about Hoosier hospitality,
well,
right?
You know, yeah.
Taking care of them all at the school.
And the pictures and video that are just coming in are absolutely incredible.
Right.
But the continuing story there is that everybody chipped in, neighbors helping neighbors.
That's what we do.
40 years ago, though.
40 years.
Wow.
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much.